So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and this year, instead of going for the traditional bunch of red roses, box of chocolates, what about something a bit more exciting? So today I've picked out 6 of our most fabulous gifts, I would say, for Valentine's Day 2024. We've introduced a couple of specific gifts for Valentine's Day, which we thought just a little bit fun. We've got an air plant, super easy to care for, even if they are totally black-fingered. We've got classic orchids. We've got a gorgeous hellebore for the garden. Look at these beautiful pink Warburton rosemary hellebores for the gardener in your life. For the house, even if you haven't got a lot of space, even if you're not a massive gardener, there are some great plant gifts that your loved one will love this year. So you've got Pink Princess, indoor plant, easygoing, fabulous. Pink variegated foliage all year round. You've got scented Stephanotis. The buds here are just starting to open and they will have an amazing scent in a couple of weeks' time, ready for Valentine's Day. Or something a bit different, a bit spiky, a pineapple plant. And you can ripen this on a windowsill in the UK in February, and it will make a fantastic gift for Valentine's Day. So think outside the box this year, guys. Not something boring. Don't go for cut flowers that will die. Go for something gorgeous that will last and bring joy for weeks and months.